Raw power, untamed speed, pure rebellion. These 7 motorcycles from the movie The Bikeriders raised the bar. Thunderous engines, sunlit chrome, and the untamed freedom of the road. The Bikeriders movie is a tribute to raw power. These 7 motorcycles aren't just part of the story, they define it. Let's dive into their stories. Number 1. The Harley-Davidson Hydra Glide. This motorcycle is a masterpiece of 1950s and 60s engineering. With its iconic telescopic front forks and a 1200cc V-twin engine, it revolutionized motorcycle design and set a new standard for the industry. In the Bikeriders, its polished chrome finish and vintage curves exude classic Americana, perfectly complementing the film's nostalgic tone. The Hydra Glide truly steals the spotlight during a pivotal scene where its distinct rumble cuts through the air as the protagonist speeds through town. The powerful presence of this motorcycle captures both the admiration of the crowd and the raw essence of rebellion, making it unforgettable in the film. Number 2. The Triumph Bonneville T120. This bike is a legend of the 1960s and packs a powerful 650cc parallel twin engine. Known for its sleek, lightweight design and impressive speed, it's no surprise this bike makes a bold appearance in the film. Its distinctive silhouette adds a touch of British elegance to the otherwise rugged lineup. A dream machine for any rider, the Bonneville T120 leaves an unforgettable impression with its elegant lines and iconic growl. When it roars onto the screen, you can almost feel the wind and adrenaline of those who ride it, embodying both grace and power in every moment. Number 3. The Indian Chief. This motorcycle is a hallmark of the 1940s and 50s, and it's powered by a robust 1200cc V-twin engine and distinguished by its iconic skirted fenders. Its combination of smooth performance and bold design made it a legend in motorcycle history. In the movie, this bike stands out with its polished vintage details, bringing authenticity and a touch of retro flair to every scene it appears in. One of the film's most gripping sequences puts the Indian Chief at the center of the action. Its deep, thunderous roar fills the air as it tears down the open road, embodying the freedom and rebellion that define the story. It leaves an impression that lingers long after the scene fades. Number 4. The Norton Commando 750. In one of the film's most electrifying moments, the Norton Commando 750 is pushed to its limits. Its rider leans into sharp turns, the tires screeching against the asphalt as the engine roars like thunder. The bike's agile frame and relentless speed make it the perfect partner for a high-stakes chase, leaving the audience in awe. Introduced in the late 1960s, this bike is renowned for its 750cc parallel twin engine and innovative isolastic frame design, which reduced vibrations for a smoother ride. Known for its lightweight handling and exceptional performance, it quickly became a favorite among enthusiasts. In the Bikeriders, the Norton's raw power and sleek design add a unique blend of sophistication and grit to the lineup, making it impossible to ignore. Number 5. The BMW R60. Produced between 1956 and 1969, this bike is renowned for its reliability and smooth performance. Featuring a 594cc boxer twin engine and shaft drive, this motorcycle was built for endurance and comfort on long journeys. In the Bikeriders, the R60 adds a touch of precision engineering to the lineup, standing out with its distinctive black finish, white pinstriping, and steady, dependable ride. In one of the film's most reflective moments, the BMW R60 glides along an empty stretch of highway, its engine delivering a steady rhythm beneath the rider. The bike belongs to one of the story's most introspective characters, a lone wolf whose calm demeanor masks a darker history filled with loss and conflict. As the R60 moves effortlessly through the golden light of the setting sun, it becomes a vessel for the rider's inner journey. Each mile feels like a step away from the past and a quiet confrontation with unspoken emotions. This bike carries a quiet strength, offering a moment of stillness and introspection in a story otherwise filled with chaotic conflict. Number 6. The BSA Gold Star. Built between 1956 and 1963, this motorcycle was born for the racetrack, carrying a legacy of speed and competition in its DNA. Its powerful growl and sleek profile evoke a sense of freedom and daring ambition. Every time it appears on screen, the Gold Star's energy feels alive, as if calling riders to chase the thrill of the road. Known for its single-cylinder 500cc engine and a track record that cemented its reputation on both streets and circuits, this motorcycle is a true British icon. Its lightweight frame and responsive handling made it a favorite among riders who demanded speed and precision. In the film, the Gold Star shines brightly, blending raw performance with a timeless allure. Number 7. The Ducati 750 Sport. This motorcycle is a masterpiece of 1970s engineering, powered by a 748cc L-twin engine that produces 62 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed gearbox for optimal performance. Known for its advanced desmodromic valve system, the 750 Sport delivers exceptional throttle response and high revving power, making it a favorite among speed enthusiasts. Its lightweight frame, paired with Marzocchi front forks and dual rear shocks, ensures sharp handling and stability even in the tightest corners. In the Bikeriders, the 750 Sport's iconic yellow paint, low-slung profile, and distinct exhaust make it an undeniable standout, blending precision, speed, and Italian flair in one unforgettable package. The Bikeriders isn't just about motorcycles. It's about the riders who live and breathe the road. It's about speed, defiance, and the untamed spirit that refuses to be caged. Each bike in this film is a beast in its own right, but not just for power, but for those who dare to chase the unknown. When the dust settles and the engines cool, one thing is clear. The road doesn't wait, and neither should you. Think you've seen it all? Stick around. We're just scratching the surface of the most legendary bikes and the stories behind them.